All right, about to enter the scene is Aunt Lori. Listen closely.
He's trying. But they about...
Yeah, that was Lori.
That would be Aunt Lori and Owen.
He did when he jumped off over there yesterday. He did this squeal, or maybe it was the day we were. Did he squeal like a? I mean, it was that was so much. I need somebody to drive us to the marina. Back with him at the boat. Okay.
Well, hold on a minute. Well, I guess.
Yeah.
Sure, go ahead, Sarah. I'll manage here. Whoa! Whoa, Eric! Okay.
You can float